Today we're going to use a double entry journal, and that's a tool that readers can use to record their thinking. We're going to use this tool today to record our thinking about the inferences that we made about the poem Mother to Son that you just listened to and read. So when you use a double entry journal, the left-hand column of the journal, you will write down words or phrases that you used to make the inferences. So these are lines directly from the text, and you'll notice that they have been put in quotation marks. On the right-hand side, on the right column, you'll write the inference. So let's do one together. On the left-hand side, one of the lines from the text that I wrote down was, "Life for me ain't been no crystal stair." When I read that line, that told me, or I could infer, that the mother in this poem has had a really hard life. So I'm just going to put she's had a hard life. And so what we're going to ask you to do, here's another one. Let's do one more together. Another part in the poem, when the poet said, "In places with no carpet on the floor, the floor was bare." That told me that this family, was poor. Oh, what I'm going to ask you to do, what we're going to ask you today, is to go back through the poem another time, try to find at least 2 more places in the poem where you're able to make an inference about something about the narrator of the poem or the mother or the message that she's giving. Remember, on the left-hand side of your chart, you will write down the line from the poem and put it in quotes, and then the right-hand side is what you were able to infer. And then make sure that you submit this document to your teacher.